Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I'm sharing an inspirational card and it features a really sweet cat and simple stamping. There is no coloring involved in this, just simple stamping with these sweet stamps. And so I chose an inspirational sentiment strip to use for the sentiment and stamping for the main card image. So there you go. I go ahead and I die cut my card front and the card front frame, and I'm stamping right on the card front using a Misty in craft color dye ink, and I stamped the cat. It's all one big stamp. It's really pretty. I stamped it 2 times. I'm only showing once here, but I double stamped it. And now I'm adding some dots, kind of like bubbles, if you will, or a whimsical look for this cat. I love how it's sort of sitting upright, grabbing at something. There's some butterflies in the background, but I thought this would be great to just add some color. So I started with a mint color, and then I'm going in with a coral color. And I do the stamping for these 2 at a time, and then I go 1 at a time, and just some areas may need to be stamped twice depending on your ink. So some of the areas I did stamp twice on the circles, and other times 1 was sufficient. And then after that is all finished and you're happy with it, you just go ahead and adhere with flat double-sided tape that card front onto the frame layer there in mint. And then you place that onto the card base. And then I have a sentiment strip and some other accents that I trimmed with a paper trimmer. Just a little bit of pattern paper. You can use washi with this or ribbon. And then I just use some flat double-sided tape to make a couple of layers in solid and pattern paper just to go behind that sentiment. The sentiment I popped up with a very narrow foam tape, and I placed that right on top of that layered accent panel there, and I added a sweet little heart in coral. And that is the card. It's so sweet, very easy to do. Now I thought it needed something else, so I added some tiny little adhesive pearls for maybe a collar. I thought it would look great for a cat collar. And then I just added into the circles a couple of more adhesive pearl stickers. And there you have it. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.